Exness is an online trading platform that allows beginners to trade forex, stocks, commodities, and other financial instruments. Here's a guide to getting started. Create an account. Visit the Exness website and sign up for a new account by providing personal information and verifying your identity. You will need to submit documents like an ID and proof of address for verification. Deposit funds. After creating your account, go to the deposit section and choose a payment method. Deposit the desired amount into your account to begin trading. Choose a trading platform. Exness supports popular trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Download and install the platform or use the web version. Log in with your Exness credentials. Learn the basics. Before starting real trading, use a demo account to practice trading with virtual funds. This helps you get familiar with the platform and market conditions. Learn to analyze market trends using charts, indicators, and other tools available in the platform. Start trading. Once comfortable, start making live trades by choosing an asset, setting the amount, and deciding whether to buy or sell. Use stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk and protect profits.